Good morning, South Florida. I'm Maribel Rodriguez. Here's a look at some of your Monday morning headlines. The fight for freedom is raging on in Cuba, with South Florida supporters once again taking to the streets to lend their support. In Miami, Cuban Americans were spotted across multiple rallies, including a Niños for Cuba event in Tropical Park. Over in Little Havana, another night of protests flooded the area around the Versailles restaurant, where Cuban Americans once again said enough is enough. Also, Colombians, Venezuelans, and people from Nicaragua joined in support to call on the U.S. government to send help. A possible flotilla to Cuba has been postponed. Organizers had been discussing getting dozens of boats to head towards Cuba later this morning. It's now been pushed back till Thursday. Organizers are hoping to get close enough to shoot off flares at night to let the Cuban people know they have support from South Florida. They've also promised not to cross into Cuban waters. The Department of Homeland Security is warning that boaters could face fines and prison time if they enter Cuban territory. More than a dozen people back on dry land this morning after a boat began taking on water just off Pompano Beach. Some Good Samaritans spotted the safari diver as it was sinking and helped everyone out of the water. Thankfully, no one was injured. As a Delta variant of the coronavirus spreads and a lack of people getting vaccinated, the virus is regaining strength in South Florida and across the U.S. It said that 1 in 5 people with COVID has a Delta variant. Officials say it's much more contagious and are now telling people to mask up and social distance. From July 9th to the 17th, there was an 11% increase in Delta variant cases, with over 45,000 people getting the virus and 59 deaths. And that's a look at some of your morning headlines. Make sure to join us later for CBS4 News at noon and get updates anytime on CBSMiami.com.